Good morning, y'all. My name is Erin. Welcome to my desk. This morning I'd like to do a quick overview of how I have updated my planner and am utilizing my DIYFish inserts. So I've moved from a day on 2 pages into a day on 1 page, and then I have a couple of extra inserts that I've added from DIYFish. So this is my morning routine. So I'm going to pull out my monthly really quick and just take a look and make sure for Thursday I do not have any important tasks today, so I'm utilizing the monthly inserts. Also using a snapshot overview of my month just to kind of help me stay a little bit closer on track. Oh, today is Zelda's birthday, so that's my grandbaby's first birthday. And then next, I am using the project planner. And this just kind of helps me stay on task with projects that I'm working on personally and projects I'm working on at work. I have a journaling page next, and then my weekly health tracker. So this is a weekly insert that she does, and of course I don't have a blank one in because we're in the last week of the month, but I'm tracking my sleep, my water intake, and then just like some medication and some health related things, and I've already filled that out for today. Now the neat thing in between these, I am using the front and the back pages between them because these were actually made to go in like your week, and then you would go into your days, and then you would have another weekly overview. I'm using the back sides of these for journaling, so I've really enjoyed that. Then we have week 1, week 2, week 3, and we get into this week. So typically what I do on this side of the flap is keep a grocery list, but tomorrow morning, bright and early, I'm going to be getting up to drive to Texas to visit the grandbaby for her birthday and see my daughter, who is expecting to have another baby just any time now. So I have my packing list there. I have my work schedule on the inside of the flap. My husband's work schedule drops in below it. And then I look to see if I have any important tasks that I need to get taken care of today. So I need to get my oil changed today, and I need to pack for today. So I'm going to flip over. Yesterday was kind of one huge project at work. So I already have my finished packing, time with William, AAA enrollment's already been done. So I just need to make a note reminder to get the oil changed in my car before I drive. 7 hours oil change. I also have a package that needs picked up. Package pickup. I want to say it's my Planner Society box that delivered on Monday. It's about that time, so I'm assuming that's what the package is. I probably should take a look at that. And then I just want to wash my hair tonight. My daughter's on well water, and my hair doesn't react well with her well water. What else do I need to do? I need to make sure Kim has the logins for while I'm out. So today is my last day at work, and I will not be back at my job until May 8th after Go Wild. So I'm really excited. We got 1 week to go till Go Wild, so I'm very excited about that. I'll be out of town for a few days, and then I'll be back in South Louisiana to pack and finish prepping for Go Wild, and then I'll be at Go Wild. So yay, I'm actually starting to get a little bit excited about that. I also need to call my doctor's office this morning. Call the doctor's office. This is like really super important. So I just want to make a colored mark by it so it stands out a little bit more. I'm really trying to keep a light day today. I need to try and leave by 3 at the latest. That'll give me time. Oh, and I need to get my nails done today. I will not give myself time. And to help speed that process up, I will give her a call real quick for an appointment. So that's everything that I have going on for today. How I'm kind of utilizing the inserts. Now, because I've dropped to a day to a page and this week's been full of like big projects, I've added just a little half sheet, and you can probably, there's probably more written on this one between my Mondays and my Tuesdays, because Mondays and Tuesdays are typically my busiest days. So I have just kind of a running to-do list for the week, and then I go directly into my weeklies, or my dailies. I apologize. I need more coffee this morning. Tomorrow's going to be pretty much a big travel day. Gas. I need to do the gas today instead of tomorrow. My car's almost out of gas. I need to get gas. I have horrible brain fog right now, so that's why I wrote gas. You would think somebody could get in their car and realize, hey, the gas is about to run out. Then going into May, I haven't put all of my May inserts yet. I only have my May monthly pullout. I just have a little, I need more coffee. I just have a little dashboard basically with some sticky notes attached to it so I can have sticky notes to write on. And then I go into my monthly layout. And then, of course, I have my home cleaning. So today is Thursday. I made my bed this morning. I really didn't assign tasks this week. I spent most of last week trying to get the house in order and ready for the trip. So the rest of this week and next week, I probably won't be utilizing these since I'll be traveling. And then we go into the budget. Now my budget section, I'm using a little bit differently. This is a free DIYFish insert. You can get it on her blog. And then I'm using my traditional bills due inserts that I made. And that was my March. I try to keep my last month, my current month, and then my upcoming month here. And that allows me just to kind of budget a little bit better and stay on top of how I'm spending my money and how I'm saving. And at the end of it, I have my bi-weekly savings plan. And then the other thing that I tend to look at on a daily basis is work. What is going on with work? And I had to look at that for something that was work related. So Thursday, we're good. I know who's coming in. And then I just kind of check my promo calendar to make sure, which I do have a promo starting today. So I need to make sure that the promo signage is up. All right, so that's just me kind of thumbing through it. Something new that I have made recently that I'm really enjoying, and I tried to explain this to somebody over the phone. This is just, and my planner got wet, y'all. It broke my heart. And look, now the paper is stuck to this page. I was at the doctor's office, and I went to wash my hands, and I laid my planner on the little shelf above the sink, and I'm sure my hands are like way up in there, and my planner fell in the sink with running water, and I didn't rescue it quite in time, so that page stuck to this. But what is neat about this, I use my planner at work a lot, and I don't necessarily want people, I don't want to accidentally flip open to these pages. So I have put this little catch, and that way those pages stay closed and together. So that's just something new I've added into it. But anyway, that's how I plan my day. It is now time for me to go jump in the shower and get started. And I will probably later today, while I'm waiting, getting my oil changed, take a look at the video, flip it around, and get it posted. Now, next week is very, very exciting. Go Wild. So I'm really excited to be going to Austin for Go Wild. I am going to be making little small videos, and I will do the swag haul videos and also just some on-the-go stuff in Austin around so many amazing people that have inspired me to get into decorative planning, and will just have some videos going up next week. So I kind of have a picture in my head of what I would like it to look like, but y'all know me, I'm just raw footage. What you see is what you get. So there is absolutely no telling what's gonna come up next week with Go Wild. Anyway, until then, hit subscribe if you have not yet and would like to see those videos. And if you're looking forward to seeing some Go Wild videos, be sure that you hit the little bell in the corner so you get notified when new videos come up. Until next time, remember, we all got a plan. Thanks.